I love it. This has been a lot of fun. I have one final question for you. Why do you love being a cyber professional, and why should people want to become a cyber pro?
Uh, that's a really good question. I think if you look at what's happened in the last few years, there's a severe acceleration of digital technology in our daily lives, and that has made our lives significantly better in many ways. Digital infrastructure is everywhere. However, if we did not have trust in those digital systems that we are using every day, we will stop using that and we will go back to where we were 40 years ago, right? And so imagine not being able to call a Uber from your phone as an example, right? And so the way I look at that is technology is transforming our lives, and the trust in those digital systems is brought about by cybersecurity. If we didn't have cybersecurity, people will not use these latest digital technologies, and then we would not be making the kind of rapid progress as humankind that we are making. We would not be making that, and so that's why I love being in cybersecurity, because the impact that we have when when we protect so many banks and governments is really good to know. Like today, you cannot go through your day without using a product that's secured by Qualys, and it's a big thing for us. And so I'm excited about cybersecurity, and I think I always say this: till there are humans, there will always be doctors and nurses required, and so till we have computers, you'll always need cybersecurity. So it's also an evergreen field.